What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to Witty AI Designs, and in this video I want to show you guys how I created a Cyberpunk Batman and how I created the thumbnail for it in Canva. Let's dive right into it. So here's a couple of different art styles that I kind of just experimented with, so just kind of show you guys, you know what I'm saying, how we did it. So let's go ahead and dive right into Canva. This is the prompt I use: African American Batman, close-up shot, Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk is one of my favorite art styles. Click copy, start in direct messenger. Then we want to go to the Midjourney bot. We always want to start there so that way we can see our own creations. Imagine prompt, copy and paste it. Aspect ratio 2:3, because we want to have it like a vertical vibe. So this is what we created. Had to speed it up for you guys so you didn't have to, wait too long. So here's another option that I chose. Really dynamic, really masculine. I love how Midjourney kind of gives me different colors every single time, and just a different like vibe. This is more like a classic. I love the background. It's very colorful, very purplish. It's like Cyberpunk is always purple in the back, purple and black. So we're gonna upload it here, and we're gonna go ahead and resize the elements. Let me go ahead and move my big head. And this is how I create thumbnails. I create thumbnails right inside Canva. It's a very useful tool. These are the prompts that I used to go ahead and kind of just match things up. Figure black works best, and that's pretty much what it is. So African American Batman, close-up shot, cyberpunk aesthetic, neon accents, playfully intricate, epic background, 32K, UHD, sharp focus. And that is what we use to be able to create this these images. So make sure you guys let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, like and subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Peace.